Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me another product, and it's a free product, and it's a paid review. Let's get right into this, huh? Today I was sent a car seat protector. It's a 2-pack, and it's black. Let's take a look at it, shall we? We have 2 dogs, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what these look like and what they might look like in my car. So we'll just unfold one of these, and it's black. And it's a car seat protector. So it looks to me as if, okay, that must be the way it goes. So this must go up and strap around the headset. And this goes on the back side, and this goes on the seat. And there's a little flap that goes down below to protect your. And the down below here even has some pockets. I guess if it was for your pet, you could even put a couple toys in there. It's really very rugged and thick. Like for if you were protecting it from dog's nails and things like that, really thick, good quality, and washable, mud and stuff like that. If the dogs came in with mud on their paws, so let's go put this on just the passenger seat of my car and see what it looks like, shall we? So we're gonna put it in here. I kind of like it. It would definitely protect the seat. I like it. You guys, if you have some dogs that are driving with you, I'd go out and get these seat protectors. I like them. I'm going to put them in my seats, my back seats.